Hey, English learners! Welcome back to the English You Never Learned podcast.
Yes, we talk slowly. We use easy words. And we focus on English people really use in daily life.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Leo.
Today's episode is a little different.
Yes, because today we will say stop many times.
But not in an angry way.
In a helpful way. A gentle way.
The title is Stop Saying These English Sentences.
Now, one important thing. We are not saying these sentences are wrong.
Many of them are correct grammar.
But they can sound strange. Too formal. Too textbook.
Or they can make conversation harder.
So, today we will share simple alternatives. English that sounds more natural. English you can use today.
And we will keep it simple. Short sentences, real examples, small practice.
Also, don't feel pressure. You don't need to change everything.
Choose one or two ideas. That's enough.
Okay, let's begin.
Sentence number 1. How do you do?
This sentence is famous,
And yes, you might see it in old books.
or in a very formal situation.
But in daily life, most people do not say it.
If you say, "How do you do?" it can sound like a movie, or like you are meeting a king.
So what should you say instead?
Say, "Hi, how are you?" Or, "Hey, how's it going?"
Or even just, hi, and a smile.
Let's practice. You meet someone new.
You say, hi, nice to meet you.
That's simple and normal.
So gentle rule. Stop saying, how do you do? Say, hi, how are you? Instead,
Sentence number 2. I am fine. Thank you. And you?
this is the classic school answer.
It is not wrong.
But it sounds robotic, like a script.
In real life, people say many other things.
For example, I'm good, I'm okay, not bad, pretty good, doing all right.
And you don't always need "and you." Sometimes you can just ask naturally, "How about you?"
Or you can return the question with a small comment. I'm good, just a bit tired. How about you?
That sounds human.
So, gentle rule. Stop using the robot line. Use a real answer. Sentence number 3. I want to improve my English.
This is common for learners.
And the meaning is clear.
But in conversation, it can feel too big and too general.
Also, it can sound like a presentation.
In real life, people often say it in a softer way.
Try, I'm working on my English. Or, I'm trying to get better at English.
Or, "I'm practicing English these days."
These sound more natural.
And if you want to be more specific, add one detail. I'm working on my English. I want to speak more confidently.
Or, I'm practicing English. I listen to podcasts.
Small detail. Real life. Sentence number 4. Can you repeat again?
We hear this a lot.
The problem is small.
Repeat already means again.
So repeat again is double.
Not a huge mistake, but you can sound smoother.
Say, "Can you repeat that?" Or, "Sorry, can you say that again?"
Say that again is very common, simple, friendly.
And you can add, "A little slower. Can you say that again? A little slower?"
That is perfect daily English. Sentence number 5. Pardon?
This one depends.
Yes. In some places and some situations, pardon is okay.
But for many learners, pardon can sound too formal, or even a little cold.
A very safe option is sorry, or sorry, what was that? Or could you say that again?
Sorry is short and natural,
And your voice matters. Say it gently.
not like you are angry. Sentence number 6. I'm agree.
Yes, this one is actually grammar.
Because agree is a verb. You say, "I agree."
Not I'm agree.
But many learners say it because in their language, it works.
So what is the natural way?
Option 1. I agree. Option 2. That's true. Option 3. Exactly. Option 4. Yeah, I think so too.
The last one is very friendly. Yeah, I think so too.
It sounds relaxed.
Sentence number 7. I like very much this.
Another common learner sentence.
The word order is the issue.
In daily English, say, I really like this. Or, I like this a lot.
Really and a lot are easy and common.
And you can add a reason. I really like this. It's simple.
Or I like it a lot, it's comfortable.
Sentence number 8. Today, I will go to shopping.
This is also very common.
In English, we usually say, go shopping.
Not go to shopping.
So say, I'm going shopping today. Or, I'm going to go shopping.
And for a natural daily tone, I'm going shopping is great.
It feels like real life.
Sentence number 9. I will send you after.
This one causes confusion.
Because after needs something. After what?
In daily life, we say, I'll send it to you later. Or, I'll send it after the meeting.
Or I'll send it when I get home.
So, later, after plus time, and when plus situation are your friends.
Very useful.
Sentence number 10. I'm sorry for bothering you.
This is polite, and it can be okay.
But learners often overuse it,
They say it for small things.
and it makes them sound nervous.
In daily life, we often use softer phrases.
For example, sorry to bother you. Or, sorry, quick question. Or, do you have a second?
Quick question is very natural.
And, do you have a second? Is great at work.
It feels friendly and confident. Okay, we shared many sentences.
Now, let's pose.
If you are listening and thinking, that is a lot,
It's okay.
we will slow down and do small practice.
We will do a pattern.
Old sentence, new sentence.
Old, new, old, new,
You can repeat in your head.
or out loud.
Old, how do you do? New, hi, how are you?
Old, I am fine, thank you. And you? New, I'm good. How about you?
Old, I want to improve my English. New, I'm working on my English.
Old, can you repeat again? New, can you say that again?
Old, I'm agree. New, I agree. Or, that's true.
Old, I like very much this. New, I really like this.
Old, I will go to shopping. New, I'm going shopping.
Old, I will send you after. New, I'll send it to you later.
Old, I'm sorry for bothering you. New, sorry, quick question.
Now let's make it even more useful.
Yes, because daily English is not just one sentence.
It is a small combination.
So we will build tiny mini conversations.
Short and real.
Mini conversation 1. You meet a coworker.
You say, hey, how's it going?
They say, pretty good. Busy though.
You say, yeah, same.
That is real life.
Mini conversation 2. You don't hear something.
You say, sorry, what was that?
They repeat.
You say, thanks.
Very smooth.
Mini conversation 3. You need to ask something.
You say, sorry, quick question. Do you have a second?
They say, sure.
You ask your question.
Simple, polite, confident.
Mini conversation 4. You agree with someone.
You say, yeah, I think so too.
Or exactly.
Or, that's true.
These are small, but powerful.
Now, I want to talk about why this topic matters.
Yes, because many learners feel stuck.
They speak, but people react strangely.
Not because the learner is bad.
But because the sentence sounds like a textbook,
When you change a few sentences, conversations feel easier.
and confidence grows.
Let's share a metaphor.
Okay,
Think of English like clothes.
interesting.
School English is like a suit.
A suit can look good.
Yes, but you don't wear a suit to the beach.
Or to the supermarket.
Daily English is like a comfortable shirt.
You wear it every day.
It fits daily life.
That is a nice picture.
So today we are not throwing away the suit.
We are just adding comfortable clothes. Now, let's add a few more stop saying ideas. But we will make them unique.
Yes, these are sentences that are not wrong, but they can sound heavy.
Stop saying, I must go now. Sometimes it sounds too serious.
In daily life, people say, I gotta go. or I have to run, or I should get going.
I should get going is very safe and polite.
Yes, it sounds natural. Stop saying, I will take rest. It sounds like a translation.
Say, I'm going to rest, or I'm going to take a break, or I'm going to lie down.
Take a break is very common.
Stop saying, I'm very busy now. It is okay, but you can sound softer.
Try, I'm a bit busy right now, or I'm tied up right now.
Tied up means busy. It's like your time is tied.
And you can add a kind next step. Can I get back to you later?
That is real life English.
Stop saying, please explain me. In English, say, please explain it to me. Or, more natural, can you explain that?
Or, can you walk me through it? But that one is higher level.
Yes. For A2B1, can you explain that? Is perfect.
Stop saying, I'm waiting you. Say, I'm waiting for you.
Small word. Big difference.
And if you want to sound friendly, you can say, I'm here, take your time, or no rush.
No rush is a great phrase. Stop saying, I will contact you. It is correct, but it sounds formal.
In daily life, we say, I'll message you. I'll text you. I'll call you.
Simple and real.
Okay, now we have many examples.
So let's slow down and do a word tour.
We will explain some words we use today. Simple definitions. Simple examples.
First word, formal.
Formal means serious, official, and polite in a business way. Example, this email sounds formal.
Second word, natural.
Natural means it sounds normal to native speakers. Example, I want to sound natural.
Third word, confident.
Confident means you believe you can do it. Example, I feel more confident when I use simple English.
Fourth word, phrase.
A phrase is a group of words we use together. Example, no rush is a phrase.
Fifth word, alternative.
Alternative means another option. Example, I have an alternative sentence.
Sixth, teed up.
Tied up means busy, not free. Example, I'm tied up right now.
Seventh, no rush.
No rush means you don't need to hurry. Example, no rush, take your time. Now we want to do something practical. A small challenge.
Yes, a tiny challenge you can do today.
Choose one stop saying sentence you use often.
And replace it with the new one.
Just one.
For example, if you always say, I am fine, thank you, and you?
Today you say, I'm good, how about you?
Or if you always say, I will send you after.
Today you say, I'll send it to you later.
One small change is enough.
Leo, I want to share a small story from my life.
Yes. Go ahead.
When I was learning another language, I tried to sound smart. I used long sentences. I used formal words.
How did it go?
People understood me, but I felt tired.
Yes, long sentences can feel heavy.
Then one day, I started using short phrases, and my conversations became easier. My brain felt calmer.
That is the power of simple language.
Yes. Simple language is not small. It is strong.
Now, before we finish, let's recap. Because repetition helps memory.
We talked about sentences that are common in school, but not common in daily life.
We said, stop. How do you do? Use, hi, how are you? Stop the robot line, I am fine, thank you. Use, I'm good or not bad. Stop heavy sentences. Use short answers. Stop, repeat again. Use, say that again. Stop, I'm agree. Use, I agree. Stop, go to shopping. Use, go shopping. Stop, unclear. Send you after. Use, send it later.
And we added extra daily phrases. I should get going, take a break. I'm tied up right now, no rush. I'll text you.
These are small changes, but they create big comfort.
Now it's your turn.
Question for you.
Which sentence do you want to stop saying?
And what will you say instead?
You can say it in your head.
Or write it in the comments.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
You didn't waste it.
You invested it in yourself.
This was the English You Never Learned podcast.
See you next time.